Before you purchase new flooring, you'll need to work out how much you need. But don't worry, the process is simple. In this video, we'll walk you through how to measure your room for carpet or vinyl flooring. Getting started is easy. All you need is paper. A4 works fine. Pen or pencil, tape measure, and a calculator. For most people, this will just mean their smartphone. Roughly sketch the shape of the room you're measuring. Make sure you include any doorways, as you'll need to take your measurements from halfway into the door frame. Use your tape measure to take two measurements, in meters, on both the length and width of the room. For rooms that aren't a simple square, for example ones that have bay windows or alcoves, simply take measurements of the longest and widest parts. Note down your measurements on your sheet of paper. When ordering your carpet, you'll be asked for your room's length, as carpet and vinyl widths are set. Carpets come in 4 and 5 meter widths, and vinyl in 2, 3 or 4 meter widths. Let's look at these measurements. Because one of them is less than our 4 meter roll width, we'll mark this as our room's width and round it up to the size of our roll width. The longer measurement will therefore be our length. You should always add 10 centimeters to the length and then round up to the nearest quarter meter to account for any wastage. If both of the measurements are shorter than the roll width, simply take the measurement that's closest and mark this as your width. The shorter measurement will then be your length. Again, you should round your length measurement up. We decide on the length and width in this way in order to minimize wastage and prevent you from ordering too much flooring. Enter your length measurement online. The website will show you the total price for the amount of flooring you need. If both of your measurements are bigger than your chosen flooring's roll width, your room will require a join. If this is the case, get in touch via the flooringsuperstore.com contact page to speak to the professionals. Thanks for watching.